In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the AI model in the Perplexity app, so let's get started. If you're on the free plan, you won't be able to manually switch between models. The option to change models is only available with the Pro plan. Once you've upgraded, you'll see a small button or icon that says Choose a Model. Tap on it and you'll get a list of models to pick from. For reasoning tasks, you'll find options like DeepSeek R1, O4 Mini, and Claude 4.0 Sonnet Thinking. For general use, there are models like Sonar, which is Perplexity's fastest, Claude 4.0, GPT 4.1, Gemini 2.5, and even Grok 3 from X. All you need to do is select the one you want, and it will be applied right away. If you're still on the free plan and tap the option, it will take you to the upgrade screen. But if you have Pro, you can switch instantly between models depending on your needs. And that's it. Now you know how to change the AI model in Perplexity. By the way, if you're interested, I've also added a link in the description where you can create a free account on School.